Hi guys, this is what you have to do when the bars are shut and it's your birthday. Go down by the beach now.
What's up guys?
Here's Marcus.
How is everyone?
You in there, Marcus? I can't see.
Mike's 60th today.
Yeah, 60 today.
Getting older and older as the day goes by, ain't you?
Not quite that quick, Marcus.
I can already see the grey hairs.
Yeah, I tried to get rid of them earlier. There's Sue on the other side.
Hi guys.
You in yet?
Can you see me?
Tell me when you're in.
I'm in now. Hi guys.
There we go. So we're all sat here now having a bit of a picnic. Well, we just had the picnic. Have a look round and see what's to do next.
Pork pie and queen cakes.
Yeah. Gotta be good, huh? Would have been a meal out, I dare say, save you cooking, but
little drinky poos.
fortunately you've had to do the cooking today, haven't you, sir? There we go. We're right down by the sea. I'll pan round to the sea. You see in there, Marcus?
Yeah.
You see it? Can't see a thing with this new camera. This new phone.
Just popped it from the camper pan and done a song.
There we go. Marcus laughing at the police over there, I think.
No, friend of ours, Billy, who does like singing for money, plays guitar and sings in the street for money. He's just stopped on his little push bike in front of a camper van so that they can't move anywhere while he does them a song.
There's one of the local guys out around the bars normally. As there's no bars open now, I think he's just doing it on the street. Trying to get himself a little bit of money. So we're just enjoying an afternoon here now.
Quite warm today.
Couple of hours, yeah?
Yeah. A little bit colder now, but it's been quite warm today.
Yeah, it's been up to about, I would say it's been about 23, 24 degrees today. What do you think, Marcus? Wait till I pan round to you, lad. A lot of panning round going on here.
I'll probably say about 23 at the highest today.
It's a nice day there. There's been quite a few people on the beach today.
Yeah, got a lot.
Which is unusual, just lately.
And Mike is on his new phone now. So there's
yeah, I'm on the new phone now, that's why I don't know how it works and everything. So I'm not trying to do too much zooming in or whatnot. Just trying to keep it going. God, it takes a long time when you're this way around on the camera. About 10 minutes to go past. So what are you going to say there?
Not a lot. Just nice. It's here.
Yeah, you enjoyed it?
Nice. Yeah.
Got you on your own now.
It's a bit breezy now, but it's alright still.
The apartment in the background there. Behind you. All good.
On the accessible area for the disabled, which takes people right down into the sea.
You have to speak a couple of bits so they might not be able to hear you.
And you've got the library.
Yeah, the library just over there.
Behind.
Now if I can pan round that far, I'll have a go.
Probably not, I wouldn't. Maybe turn the whole thing round.
It's gone.
Wait.
Hello.
And there's the library.
There's the library there.
Not being used at the moment. And I don't know whether you can see this police car and police bike just pulled up now.
What are they doing? Just general
Just general.
standing about.
Yeah.
You know why you couldn't do this, Marcus? Like doing it the other way, don't you?
Because aren't no with fans.
I'm just waiting for this to cut off now, like my old phone did. It hasn't happened so far.
Phone just about fits in there.
Yeah, it's just about fitting in the gimbal now.
A bit thicker. So it may just ping off on the days.
So this is probably not the what we planned this year, but
cheers, guys.
Marcus.
Spall them out, boys. Spall them out.
Police going past there on the bikes. I don't know if you can see them.
Bye bye.
Oh, they're coming back.
I mean, if you're worried about out here now, I mean, there's still seems to be doing the same patrols down here as normal.
Is it a vestibular offence to go off of a cup of a pint?
Yeah, I'm on duty.
I wouldn't do that, Marcus. You might never get rid of them. In Spanish police, they do like a drink. Yeah. Right. Okay guys, we're nearly there now. Not usually on this side of the camera, apart from the live streams.
Have you noticed this new header, guys?
Oh, yeah, I have had a share. Don't. We'll all be back by tea time now.
Cannot draw what you had before live stream.
No.
No, I put you some hair back on it.
We got the badge in. There you go. That still looks like 06 or something, Marcus. Sure I'm going the wrong way up or something?
No, it'll look like 60 today, it only looks like 06 because it's a mirror image.
The mirror image. Well, that one wouldn't be like that on the video. Huh?
I don't think so.
Because when you do the Don Poncho, that came out backwards, didn't it?
Oh.
We'll have to have a look when we get back. I'll try and get this one up maybe today or tomorrow. And don't worry guys, the people that have asked me for places, I am going to do them. It's going to be next week now. Probably try and catch up Monday and Tuesday. I am trying to set up a membership thing at the moment for the channel. So there'll be more bits going on there as well. I've just got to sort out what I want to put on there and exactly what I want to take off. Well, sort of not put on the channel for a while. I think I might just preview them on there and then on the channel as normal then. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Don't forget the live streams on Wednesdays and Sundays. 8 o'clock in Spain, 7 o'clock in the UK. And if we don't see you before, we'll see you on one of those.
Nice.
Right. Okay guys, like and subscribe as normal and we'll see you on the next one.